All right, guys, let's check this out. We've got Chiodos, Two Birds Stoned at Once, requested by Bailey. Let's give it a listen. Remember when he was a kid? He's the biggest one now. He's huge. He's giant. Like a 15-pound cat. Ooh. Now we're wiping it up. Wow, the drums are cranking. The lows. This riff is really cool. These harsh vocals are brutal.
And we're all horse, some of us just get paid. Oh, how we celebrate the mediocrity. My feelings crowd the world.
The vocal range is just insane. These cleans into those just bloody harsh vocals is crazy. Wow, the bass. I just love how wild his voice can be. Like, he can do everything from like super high cleans to just the craziest, like prettiest, like blood curdling screams and lows and all sorts of just, I mean, the range is so vastly wild. It's crazy that it's all coming from him. That's one thing that's always sort of caught my attention. It's just a sheer range. But again, love the orchestra. The way that started was like a nice sort of build up. And then, man, the song exploded pretty quick. The drums were going. Bass was crazy cool. I love the riff in there. Pretty nice. Nice flow. But the sheer range in the vocals is so impressive and wild. Crazy. And you can tell it's sounds like a little bit earlier version, I guess, from a vocal point of view, but I still love the sound. What is up, YouTube? If you want a chance to win a live song request, then be here on Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. We're streaming marbles on stream. You'll get a marble. It'll run the obstacle course, and if you're lucky enough to win, you'll get a song request of your choice. It is a blast, guys. So many people show up. I've discovered so many new bands doing this. It's just something fun, different than the day-to-day stuff on the channel. There'll be links down below to the Discord where you can join, find out how to enter the races. We're always in there chatting, memeing, talking anything about music. It is so freaking fun, guys. So I will see you there. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.